Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about Nidra the Blissful Relaxation. The majority of people sleep without fixing their tensions. This is described Nidra. Nidra indicates sleep, no matter what or why. However, Yoga Nidra implies sleep after shaking off the problems. It is of a joyous, high quality completely. When awareness is different and distinct from the view it is, when waking, dream and deep sleep pass like clouds, yet awareness of Atma remains. This is the experience of overall relaxation. Relaxation does not suggest sleep. Relaxation indicates to be blissfully delighted. It has no end. I call bliss absolute relaxation. Sleep is another matter. Sleep provides only mind and sense relaxation. Bliss relaxes the Atma, the inner self. That is why in Tantra, Yoga Nidra is the doorway to Samadhi.